Everyone, I am Shantraj. I am from Bangalore itself. I finished my graduation in Dhanasara College of Engineering. Then later on I got a lead from one of my friend who suggested me to join Besant Technology. Then there I started my course Linux, AWS and DevOps. Praveen sir was the teacher for me. He gave me a great knowledge about Linux, and I got a very great opportunity to get into the Linux world. Then I got placed in Infosys BPM with a very good package. It's all because of Besant Technologies. They gave me a great opportunity to get into the IT field. And thank you so much, Besant Technologies, and also Surya and Murli sir, who has been very great coordinators for me. They have given me a great support when I was taking the course. Thank you so much, everyone, and everyone in Besant Technology.